Hi guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. I hope you all are doing well, and as you can see, the topic of my video is medical treatment visa for Germany. So today's topic is gonna be very interesting and it's gonna be a bit lengthy, but yes, let's get started now. So actually few months ago, one of my friend actually called me and asked me, "Hey Nida, I want to get my parents here to Germany and I want to get them treated. They are ill." And so they asked me to call a couple of hospitals and find out if they have an appointment. Then I actually called and asked for appointments, but due to COVID, they have halted all the visas of the patients who wants to come here and get treated. So because of that, I couldn't give them much information, and I thought, yes, why not to dig deeper into this topic and find out, because there are a lot of people I know who wants to come to Germany and get treated for a few diseases which are not like very well technology wise not advanced in India. So yeah, why not? It is really a good opportunity to come here to Germany and get it treated. So I just researched a little bit and to enlighten you with all this information that I have, and you can also get your parents if you're ill, if they are ill, or else if you are somebody who just want to come here to get treated, then definitely this video gonna help you a lot. So what is this medical visa for Germany? So what is this? So it is just a permit that allows you to seek medical treatment here in Germany. Germany is number one in medical tourism in Europe, and yearly there are 250,000 people come here for medical attention. They might be from different European countries or from the overseas. So how to start with the process? So that is the big question, right? You want to come to Germany to get medical treatment, and we don't know where to start. So that's okay, because this is actually this feels like really big when you think about it, but you can, break down all the process. We're gonna break down step by step. Start with hospitals that are specialized in treating your case. If you have a specific problem, then there are hospitals which are really famous for treating that particular problem, same as in India. So first of all, just take your laptop, start searching some of the hospitals which are really famous in treating your problem within Germany. Then once you search, then you will get many results. Go through, read reviews about them, and note down all the hospitals that you are actually interested in. They might be in different cities in Germany. Then start by approaching each and every hospital. How? You can either mail them. The best way is to start first of all with an email. Leave them an email or fill their the form, patient form. Start by that. Then after, you can also call them. If you call them, I know it won't be it won't get any easier, because when you call them, you will call them to a general reception area where where all queries will be actually answered, but they will redirect you to a different international department who actually handles all the international patients. So that will take some time. That really, you have to be very patient for that, but it's fine. It will take some time, but you finally will gonna select one hospital which are really responsive on your queries, and also the one which is really good for your treatment. Then they're gonna give you an appointment with the doctor. Then once you get an appointment with the doctor, be prepared and explain them your problem clearly, and then they're gonna ask you also many different questions, also your medical history. They're gonna ask you your recent reports. Send them all your reports so that they can completely diagnose you, and also then decide if you really need to come to Germany to, to continue your treatment, if they really can help you with. If they say yes, it is possible, you can come to Germany and they have a better ways to treat you, then here you go. Then they will definitely provide you different documents to get you started with the visa process. Now the next step is where to apply. So you have to apply for the visa, where you have to start applying. So first place always is German embassy. You can go to German embassy, otherwise German consulate office. Otherwise there are also visa centers in different part of the cities or in different states in India. You can actually go to the visa centers as well, because German embassy have outsourced this visa submission in these centers. And now the next step is the list of documents. It's gonna be a bit lengthy, but of course I will give you very close insight what are the visa documents that are really required to start the visa process. And first of all, I would definitely like to tell you that don't apply the visa in the last moment. If you really are really sick and if you're gonna apply just a few days before your treatment, then it's gonna be very tough for you. That too, depending on the current situation, you're not gonna get the visa really soon. That's why at least start before 4 weeks. So 4 weeks is the minimum time. Even the the German embassy will recommend you to apply before 3 weeks. So just consider 4 weeks is the good time to start applying for the visa from the date of travel. So the first document is the complete visa application, which gonna cost you €100 if it is for the first time. If you want to extend your visa, or if you want to stay longer, if your treatment is taking longer, then it's gonna cost you €96. For children it's gonna cost €50, and also for the extension it's gonna cost €48. 2 passport size photos, and definitely you're gonna need your passport which is no older than 10 years, and also make sure that your passport is not expiring prior to 3 months of your coming back date. So guys, sorry, I ran into some work, so I had to stop the video. Now I'm shooting after a few hours. So we were talking about the list of documents, so let's continue from where we left. And then we also need the copy of your passport, all pages in A4. I mean, wherever you have visas or your information in A4. Then you also need European health insurance, which covers minimum of €30,000, and you also need a power of attorney if you are handing over your documents process to somebody else, if you can't do it. You need flight tickets. You also may need the leave letter or a note from your employer saying that you are away for a few months because of your treatment, if you are working, of course. Then comes all the documents that you need from your hospital that you're going to get treatment in Germany. So confirmation letter of the doctor saying that you are coming here for the treatment. Also an appointment letter at the hospital, and a payment information, because most of the hospitals will tell you to make the payment of the treatment in advance. Otherwise, any payment arrangements that you therefore did with your doctor, you also need that for sure. And you also need to make sure that if any extra cost incurred, not only the one that you have been agreed with your doctor, then you also need to provide enough bank statement that you have enough money if any case, if you have to pay more. You can do it by providing the bank statement. Otherwise, your employer can also provide you this letter. Otherwise, you can also just show your salary, which says that you're earning enough to to cover your own expenses if there are any. Then you also need confirmation of the accommodation that you're gonna stay either in any hospital, clinic, or also if you're gonna stay maybe in a different accommodation in a hotel or a service apartment. So also that confirmation is needed. And if a child is getting the treatment here, then we also need the child birth certificate. And if one parent is only accompanying the child and another one is not along with the child, then a consent letter from the other parent has to be given, and it has to be notarized. And also if one of the parent has already died, then death certificate of the other parent also have to be submitted along with the documents. Then finally, after doing and submitting all these documents and doing the process, finally then you have to wait for 5 to 6 weeks for your visa to arrive. And yeah, you can either get a single entry visa to Europe, or you will get multiple entry visa. In multiple entry, you can go and come back to your home country again. You can go, so you can make multiple visits. So guys, this is all the information that I could give for getting a medical visa for Germany, either for your parents or if you want to come by yourself here for any treatment. So this is the process, that how you can start and dig deeper into things. I hope this video will definitely help you all, and also you can share this information with your family, friends, who are planning to get an treatment internationally somewhere in Europe. Or I mean, this process is almost same throughout the Europe. It's not only specific to Germany. So this is all the general things that actually let you get started into getting a visa, a medical visa. So yes guys, this is all information that I could give you. If you have any other things that I have missed in this video and you know better, then definitely do comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you again next week. Bye.